Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I'm an official member of ForexBD. Today we have came up with a very important video for you. Maybe you could understand by watching the thumbnail. That's why you turned on the video to get rid of this problem. The problem is that IC markets verification problem. One of the common complaints of these who trade Forex is that the account is not being verified in IC markets. This happens to almost everyone. IC markets is one of the most popular and good broker house in Forex. So many people want to work in this broker. So they have an account here, but many people can't verify the account here. In fact, it's really difficult to verify the account from here. So we came up with today's video to solve all this problem. Here we will show you in details how we verify an account. Although we have already published a video to verify the account in IC markets, but many have faced problem since then. Moreover, due to the new rules and verification system, many people are not able to verify. So we have brought this video for them. I hope you will see the video from beginning to end. And if you want to watch video on account opening and verification in any broker, please watch this playlist. Here you will find all types of video about account opening and verification. And I will request the well-wisher of ForexBD, please subscribe. ForexBD is another new channel. Here you will find all types of video. And those who don't subscribe our ForexBD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. So we brought you directly in our account and you can see the whole green here. This means that our account is currently verified. But today we will discuss with you what you had to do to get this verification. This account was created on 16 February of this year. Here you can see the date. The account was opened on 16th February and on 18th February they verified the account. So I am showing you the process of submitting the document. After opening the account, first I upload scan copy of the passport for ID verification. I also uploaded a scan copy of the bank statement. So as soon as I uploaded, my ID is verified, but they rejected my bank statement that I make for address verification. And when I was asked to upload the document again, I took a picture of that bank statement again, then upload it again. But on the 7th February, they reject my document again. Then I thought a lot, and on 18th February, I uploaded a copy of the electricity bill. Since the account was not being verified even after uploading the bank statement twice and rejecting my document, then I uploaded a copy of the electricity bill, but they also rejected it. They said my document is insignificant. So this was very annoying and there was a lot of worry, because even after giving two copies of the bank statement and electricity bill, my account was not verified. Then the thing I do is I communicate with them in live chat. So I talked to them about this. This means that when I first open the live chat, I request them to give me a live chat from the automatic message system. Then they take me to live chat. There I explain the matter in details. That is, after the live chat opens, I inform them that I am not getting the address verification even after uploading my real document, bank statement and electricity bill. Then they said me they will find out the problem and inform me. And lastly, in a short while, my account is fully verified. So you can see that here the approval is written. So that's exactly how I verified. You must have seen that my account is fully verified. That is why my account has been given the green signal, which I saw from the beginning. I hope from now you can also verify. However, you must take a good picture of the document that you will submit. That is, take a clear picture or scan copy, then upload the copy. And of course, when making an account, make an account through the link given in the description of this video. This will be more beneficial to you, as your account will always be protected as it's under a strong reference. Moreover, in case of any problem in the future, ForexBD will try its best to help you. Creating any account in any broker or payment method, please use ForexBD's link. And for those who don't know how to create an account and want to create an account, watch this video. Here are all the rules for creating an account in IC markets, and the account has been verified in a short time. Moreover, if you face face any problem in this video, or if you face any problem while verifying your account, please let us know by commenting. Then we can discuss about your problem and we can help you. So viewers, I hope you can understand our today's video. I hope from now you can get verified. So a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.